I blew up my Instagram and TikTok pages thanks to this new niche, and I know you won't believe me when I say that I succeeded from the very first video I posted on TikTok. It was about the benefits of pomegranate, and it exceeded 30,000 views. As for Instagram, it has currently reached 91,000 views, and the video topic was about the harms of smoking, presented in a medical, cinematic, and visually attractive style, created using only artificial intelligence tools. The idea is as follows. You copy this prompt that you will find in the description box, then paste it into ChatGPT, but do not use it exactly as it is, as if you are repeating my same content. Modify it and improve it a bit because I use it personally. You can change the colors, organs, and other details so you can create your own custom prompt. After that, it will ask you to write the food or drink, so we will write orange directly. It will give you image prompts and video prompts. Immediately start by designing all the images first using any image generator. Personally, I use Whisk AI. After downloading all of them, it's time to turn them into videos or scenes. Here we will use Grok. Sign up, go to Imagen, then upload the first image. After that, go to ChatGPT and copy the first prompt related to the first image, the video prompt, but in the video prompt section. After that, you will find that Grok has created a beautiful animation for the image. Once you gather around 12 scenes, merge them all in any editing software like CapCut while adding sound effects. We are missing the voiceover, which we request from ChatGPT, then generate it using 11 Labs. And like this, the video is almost ready to be published. We upload it, but we will add a dangerous touch. Before publishing it, we first go to a website that has no competitor in its field, the field of captions and visual effects. This is the only paid website in this video. It is not necessary, but if you use it, it will add beauty and soul to the video, which will make it explode in views, because the automatic text it adds on top of the video in that smooth and dynamic way, along with the effects, makes viewers dive into the video. When you try it for free, you will understand what I mean.
La personne mange une tranche d'orange. Les nutriments commencent à entrer dans le corps. L'orange atteint l'estomac et la digestion commence. L'intestin absorbe les nutriments qui passent dans le sang. Les nutriments se répandent dans le corps, illuminant muscles et organes. Les vitamines atteignent le cerveau et améliorent la concentration. Les nutriments nourrissent les muscles et renforcent les fibres. Peut provoquer une légère gêne gastrique. Une rougeur locale ou une légère réaction cutanée peut apparaître. L'orange provoque une hausse temporaire de la glycémie, avec accumulation de glucose. Le corps peut ressentir une baisse temporaire d'énergie après la digestion.
The link is in the first comment. Oh, and by the way, I recommend the Pro plan. It gives you 40 videos every month, and here is a small gift for you, a 10% discount code. I wish you all the best, inshallah.